your treasure as you go around. So how do you know you grab your treasure? Keep going. There we go. And then back to the beginning, Archie, and then come back round. Back to there.
Yeah, that's what's
Quietly. Try and get all the treasure we can. Really slow as well. The dragon's awake! Back to the beginning. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the beginning. 1. Are we all safe? Oh, I think we're all safe.